So if you want to control another computer through your computer, you must download and install a software to your computer as well as the computer you want to control. But however, if some errors occur, if some problems occur, how can you do this? Don't worry, the solution is in front of us. You can control another computer and others can control your computer through Zoom meetings. So if you don't know how to control other computers through Zoom meetings, let's get into the video to talk about how to control computers through Zoom meetings. So let's get into the video. First, let's see how to control other computers from your computer. First, someone has to share the screen except you. So let's think you're the host and the others are the participants. So after a participant share the screen, you must go View Options, then click Request Remote Control. Accept it. Also, the participant has to approve it. Then you have the ability to control participant screen. But you can see your site is a bit laggy because it's coming through internet. But however, the command is going quickly to the participant's computer. Now let's see how to give your computer access to other participants. First, you have to share your screen. Then go to Remote Control and click participant's name who you want to access your computer. Then the participant has the ability to control your computer. So this is how you can control other computers as well as others can control your computer through Zoom meeting. So if you learned something from this video, subscribe to Side Mirror and click the like button. Also if you want to get a notification, click the bell icon and click all. See you all on the next video. Side Mirror, beyond your sight.